Sao Paulo, the beating heart of Brazil. Sao Paulo, Brazil's largest city and the most populous in the southern hemisphere, is a sprawling metropolis that stands as the economic, cultural, and technological powerhouse of the country. Known affectionately as Sampa by locals, this dynamic city offers a compelling blend of cultures, modern innovations, lively sports scenes, and iconic landmarks. Whether you're a traveler, an investor, or a curious observer, Sao Paulo promises a multifaceted experience unlike any other in Latin America. The culture of Sao Paulo is as diverse and vibrant as its population, with over 12 million residents. It is a melting point of ethnicities, nationalities, and traditions. Italian, Portuguese, Japanese, Lebanese, African, and indigenous influences permeate every corner of the city, from its architecture and cuisine to its festivals and art. The city is home to a thriving art scene. The Sao Paulo Museum of Art, located on the iconic Avenida Paulista, holds one of the most important collections of Western art in Latin America, featuring works by Picasso. Contemporary and street art are also integral to Sao Paulo's cultural identity, with neighborhoods like Villa Mandela boasting vibrant murals and graffiti, particularly the famed Deco de Batman. Sao Paulo is also the center of Brazil's publishing and music industries. The city hosts the Sao Paulo International Film Festivals, one of the most important arts exhibitions in the world, held every 2 years. Life in Sao Paulo is fast-paced and cosmopolitan. Policitanos are known for their hardworking nature, with the city acting as Brazil's financial hub. The skyline is dotted with skyscrapers and bustling business districts. Despite the intensity, Sao Paulo offers plenty of options for leisure and relaxation. The city has a rich cafe culture, world-class restaurants, and a nightlife scene that never sleeps. From upscale clubs in Villa Olympia to live samba and furo performances in historic downtown bars, the city pulses with energy around the clock. Public parks and green spaces also provide an oasis amid the urban sprawl. Sao Paulo's extensive public transport, including buses and metro lines, connects its diverse districts, though traffic congestion remains a significant challenge. Sao Paulo is the epicenter of Brazil's technological and startup ecosystems. Known as the Silicon Valley of Latin America, the city has become a launchpad for fintechs, health techs, edtechs, and e-commerce ventures. Areas like Villa Olympia and Avenida Lima are dotted with co-working spaces, tech accelerators, and headquarters of major multinational companies such as Google, Facebook, and Uber. Institutions like University of Sao Paulo, one of Latin America's leading universities, fuel innovation with cutting-edge research. Government initiatives and private venture capital have also boosted Sao Paulo's profile as a destination for digital nomads and tech entrepreneurs. The city regularly hosts major tech events like Case Setup Summit, Brazil Conference, which attracts international speakers and investors. Football is a religion in Sao Paulo. The city is home to some of Brazil's most legendary football clubs, Corinthians, Palmeiras, and Sao Paulo FC, each with fervent fan bases and storied histories. Matches between these teams, particularly the Paulista Derby between Palmeiras and Corinthians, are intense affairs that dominate headlines and conversations. The city also hosted several matches during the 2014 FIFA World Cup, including the opening match held at the Arena Corinthians, Football aside, Sao Paulo has a growing interest in basketball, volleyball, MMA, and motorsports. The old Remo Jose Carlos base, also known as Interlagos, hosts the annual Brazilian Grand Prix and is a favorite among Formula One fans. While Sao Paulo is often overlooked for its coastal siblings like Rio de Janeiro, it offers a wealth of attractions that captivate urban explorers. Avenida Paulista, the heart of Sao Paulo's financial and cultural scene. Along this avenue, you will find MASP, shopping centers, cinemas, and cultural centers. Ibirapuera Park, designed by iconic architect Oscar and landscape architect Max. The park is a blend of natural beauty and architectural marvels. It houses museums like the Museum of Modern Art and the Afro-Brazil Museum. Municipal Market, a gastronomic paradise famous for its enormous mortadella sandwiches and fresh produce. The stained glass windows and colonial architecture add charm to the experience. São Paulo Cathedral, a neo-Gothic masterpiece located in Parque da Sé, the city's historic center. Liberdade, the neighborhood is home to the largest Japanese community outside of Japan. The district features Asian markets, sushi restaurants, and cultural festivals, especially during the Lunar New Year. Biblioteca do Estado, one of the oldest and most important art museums in Brazil, showcasing 19th and 20th century Brazilian art. Municipal Theatre, inspired by the Paris Opera. This opulent venue hosts symphonies, operas, and ballets. Batman, a vibrant alleyway filled with ever-changing street art, attracting photographers and art lovers. Football Museum. This interactive museum is a must for any football enthusiast, chronicling Brazil's rich history with the sport. Sala São Paulo, a beautiful restored train station turned concert hall. It's home to the São Paulo State Symphony. Centers. Venues like Central Cultural Banco do Brasil provide free or low-cost access to arts, theater, and music. Gastronomic diversity. Beyond traditional Brazilian dishes, Sao Paulo's culinary scene is world-renowned. Sao Paulo, a city of contrasts, where historical cathedrals stand beside sleek office towers and samba rhythms blend with the buzz of financial negotiations. It is a city that thrives on diversity, creativity, and ambitions. Whether you are indulging in its rich cultural heritage, participating in a technical summit, catching a football game, or simply savoring a cup of coffee in a charming cafe, Sao Paulo never fails to inspire. A trip to Sao Paulo is not just a visit to a city, it is an immersion into the living, beating heart of Brazil.